Well, it is another weekend, and I've been spending the last few weekends because it was so hot in the shop with air conditioner going, modding the camper up, and I've just had enough of being in the shop. It's a nice weekend. Fall weather is rolling in, and I'm gonna go out and enjoy it. So, got the camper back there. Too much junk crammed in the car because this was unplanned. I just grabbed some stuff, loaded up, and rolled out. I actually got to be back early tomorrow, but I can squeeze in a quick overnighter and go out and have some fun and test some of the mods I've made to the camper. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Let's head out and go find somewhere to camp for the evening.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
made it out here. Got the camper all set up. Awnings on both sides out because it's hot, and I wanted to do an aerial comparison shot later when I get the drone up. But so far, just been hanging out here in the shade, editing on some video on the mods that I made to the camper. So you'll see that one before this video. So you'll see what all I've done, just little changes, getting the camper ready for more off-grid camping and stuff. But the lake is just calm, just a light breeze today. Temperatures aren't bad. Great weekend to be out here off-grid camping. Haven't been doing a whole lot on camera because it's during the day. There's not much going on. I'll film more tonight, cooking supper, and get the drone up and stuff when the sun starts going down. But just hanging out, editing, trying to get a few things done while I'm out here, not just camping, but get a few things accomplished. I think there's a couple people that may come in later this evening and join me and hang out, so I may not film a ton then, but I'll try to film then. But just an overall relaxing day. Right now I've got the fan running in the camper, and I am surprised how well that max air fan works and how well it keeps the temperature down in there with that airflow. Of course, with the solar up there, I can run it indefinitely during the day. The fridge is running, the fan running, everything running. My battery is still 100%. So 200 watt solar for the win. Really probably could get away with 100, but went ahead and threw 2 panels on there and called it. But not very windy today, so no poles, no stakes or anything out on these. Sun's changing direction, so it's one benefit to having awnings on both sides of the camper. Always got shade. But basically the only one out here, which is surprising because right there's a main dock and there's only been a few boats out today. Water level is pretty low though. Ready for some fall rain to come through and pick that back up. You can see there, it's kind of pulled back. Campsite, man, it's typical for a WMA, isn't it? Got some trash here, some trash over there in the trees. This fire pit, I'm gonna rearrange the bricks and stuff that don't belong here, but they're here. I'm gonna rearrange it to try to make it look nice, and maybe someone will keep it nice. I'm gonna pick up some of these cans and some of this trash. Again, like my last video, I know it's not gonna stay that way. I know it's not mine responsibility to pick up. But if we collectively don't pick up and don't do this stuff, no matter where you are in the US, no matter where you're camping, if you don't look after yourself, they're gonna take it away. Especially because not that many people camp anymore. It's not a big pastime. People stay home, they play on their phones, they do other things. They're so busy doing other things. Just try to take care of our land and stuff, especially public land like this. Maybe someone will see you doing some good and, you know, maybe they'll start doing good. But overall, just out here hanging out, editing. May read some later, just kind of chill and relax. I know it's gonna be a quick trip. I gotta get up pretty early in the morning and get back. But you know, life happens, things happen. I couldn't turn down the decent weather and stay home. You know, I could have stayed home and edited, but why not edit out here? But I'll check back in with you here in a little bit, get some more done on this video, and just enjoy the day. The next morning, I spent some time hiking around and exploring the area. It was a peaceful morning, and it was a great night. I decided it was time to do something about the fire pit and all the trash in the campsite, so I started picking up, and soon the others with me joined in, and it wasn't long and we had the place looking way better. After breakfast was ate, I packed up and headed home. It would be a quick morning for me, but first birthdays can't be missed. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Be sure and click like and subscribe. And as always, there's still another mile left to explore. I'll see you on the trail.